Welcome back to Pennystock Blueprint. In this video we're going to be discussing 4 of the 14 most widely held stocks on investing app Robinhood. And these 4 are cannabis stocks. We have discussed them, so let's have a look and see why. Let's see, are these still good stocks to hold? And let's have a look. Let's see where they are right now. So as we can see, this stock, it's still in an uptrend. Its highest high is about $12. It's still in an uptrend at the moment. It's been sold off. These are daily charts, by the way. Each candle represents one day, but we can see we're sort of holding the 200-day moving average. And personally, we are, until we get a crossover of the moving averages, money stream is moving up. We do also have a MACD moving up, so maybe not a bad stock to hold right now. I would like to see a better buy signal with that. So let's have a look at this one, Kronos Group. So this will be a pretty short video because we are just going to be quickly analyzing. Okay, I discussed this in my previous video. And here you can see I said that it is in an uptrend still. We have reached a point that is an ascending triangle. And really I like to, in these situations, wait and see, is the stock going to break out? Is it going to break down? And for that, unfortunately, we are going to have to wait. Money stream up. The only thing that's concerning here is that we do have divergence. So as you can see, the price has been coming down. Price moved a little bit up to that point, but now we see that price is coming down. So divergence is sort of reflecting this pattern that we see right here. I would prefer to see that either break up or break down to either short the stock or to go long. Cannabis growth. I believe we've also looked at this stock before, CGC. Let's see, CGC. We can see, yep, it's still in an uptrend at this point in time. Yeah, it's been a bit choppy because the markets have been selling off lately. We do see, yeah, we've got more or less resistance at 53. We do find that this is pretty much a support level. The thing that concerns me here is money stream down, MACD down, below the 50, below the 200. Also volume a bit flat, so as of right now, no buy signals. So if you bought the stock 3-4 years ago, when it was down, when it was like $7, or even before that, if you in 2016 purchased the stock at $3, you'd have made a good return on investment with that. I like the stock in terms of it's optionable, so I prefer to see buy moves like this. When you see a move like that in a short period of time, 21 days, 42%. Those are the sort of stocks that we're looking at. And Hexo. This is the last one. Let's have a look at Hexo. Again, another uptrend. Would have been good if you could got in at $1. Below the 50, below the 200, below the main moving averages, we do have money stream that seems to have left the stock and is still continually leaving the stock. Would have been a really good position to short this piece of the market here, this little portion here, as it failed these moving averages. So none of them for me are giving buy signals right now. To be honest, they say in the article, millennials love cannabis stocks now. One thing I can tell you is never fall in love with any sector, never fall in love with any stock, never fall in love with any stock whatsoever, whether it's a Google or Facebook. The only thing that you should fall in love with is reading price patterns and knowing when to buy, when to sell. And just because the crowd wants to invest in something, it's no reason to be following the crowd. People who follow the crowd generally lose money. So just because millennials are holding on to the stock doesn't mean anything for us. So I would not just be investing in this stock right now. I'd wait for a buy signal. As of right now, I don't see a solid buy signal. It would, and the thing is with buy signals as well, what's a buy signal for me might not be a buy signal for you. So that's important to also realize. For me, a buy signal is something that you'd see here with a MACD going up, money stream going up, crossing above moving averages, volume coming into the stock. Those are the things that I like to get involved in. So that's it for this short article on in terms of, should you be buying these stocks? As I've shown you right now, there aren't any buy signals with them. So that's it for this video.